Purpose is something that I'm doing right now to help the world. What I'm for in this world, what I'm doing in this world to help people. My number one invitation for people to try out is try more stuff. Try more stuff. Like as you mentioned, I tried 5 to 6 different stuff before I landed on stuff that I actually want to do in my life. Over deliver. If I give more value, then when our month is ended, he's gonna be like, bro, you give me so much value. You close so many deals for me that I don't see anyone else better than you.
हेलो नमस्ते एवरीवन। बाकी लोग अपना अपने लैंग्वेज में जोड़ लेना कि उनका ट्रीटिंग लेवल क्या है, लैंग्वेज क्या है। तब तक मैं मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन दे देता हूँ। माय नेम इज आशीष यादव एंड आई एम द होस्ट ऑफ डीप डाइव टॉक विद आशीष। एंड जो लोग मुझे जानते हैं वो लोग सोचेंगे कि ये पॉडकास्ट, ये यूट्यूब पे कैसा है। टू बी ऑनेस्ट, मेरा कुछ मोटिव नहीं है यूट्यूब पे आने का। मैं बस इसी से बहुत डरता हूँ प्लेटफॉर्म से, जस्ट बिकॉज कि एक बार वीडियो डाला तो दूसरी बार वीडियो आना ही चाहिए, लोग एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं। तो वो डर, और दूसरा कुछ कंसिस्टेंसी लाना है मुझे, कुछ मैं करूँ उसमें। तो कंसिस्टेंसी अगर मैं, और मुझे वीडियो वीडियो बनाना पसंद है और बना रहा हूँ, तो मेरा मेन फोकस वीडियो बनाने में रहना चाहिए। तो फिर दैट्स इट। तो बहुत हो गई फलाना फलाना की बातें। अब आते हैं मुद्दे की बात। जो मेन पॉइंट पे आप आए थे, जो थंबनेल देख के आप आए थे, इस वीडियो पे क्लिक किए थे, वो बात, द ब्रेकिंग डाउन द सीक्रेट ऑफ ऑनलाइन अर्निंग। टू बी ऑनेस्ट, मैं इस फील्ड का कोई चीता नहीं हूँ। मैं कोई चीता शेर कुछ नहीं हूँ इस फील्ड का। लेकिन तुम्हारे भाई का एक चीता है, एंड वो कोई ऐसा ऐसा चीता नहीं है। वो शिकार किया है, वो शिकार कर चुका है वो जंगल में। और बहुत सारी चीजें, वो सीईओ है ऑफ सेल्स, इन ऑफ सेल्स एंड कॉपीराइटर है, और बहुत सारे चीजें छुपे उस बंदे के अंदर। और उसका नाम है मिस्टर हमजा लोका, ए के ए हमजा। हमजा, अप टू यू माय फ्रेंड।
Hey, what's up, brother? Appreciate you for bringing me here.
कैसे चल रहा है फिर बाकी? फाइनली डन।
Yeah,
एक
bro.
1.5 महीना और फाइनली डन हो जाएंगे।
Been a long time.
कभी
बहुत समय से
अप एंड
सोच रहे
डाउन
थे, right?
सारे, हाँ, बहुत सारे कि अब भी पॉडकास्ट करेंगे, और अब फाइनली डन हो गए पॉडकास्ट।
And I'm the first one.
टू बी
So yeah,
ऑनेस्ट,
it's an honor.
या क्योंकि मैं पहले तुम पॉडकास्ट हुआ 29 सितंबर को 2019 में, 18 में, तब मैंने बहुत इंस्पायर हो गया था। मैं बहुत इंस्पायर हो गया कि द वे यू टॉक, योर एक्सेंट, आई वाज रियली इंस्पायर्ड बाय यू। तो
Appreciate it,
मैंने
man.
सोचा कि मैं पहले इसी बंदे के क्यों नहीं बनाऊं मेरे पॉडकास्ट पे, जिससे इंस्पायर्ड रहा था और आईजी एजेंट लिया था। सो फिर टू बी ऑनेस्ट, यहाँ पे लोग मुझे कोई सुनने नहीं आए, लोग तुम्हें सुनने आए। सो बेसिकली लोग को तुम्हारा इंट्रोडक्शन जानना पड़ेगा। जो लोग हैं उनका इंट्रोडक्शन, बस इसमें एक ट्विस्ट है। ये इंट्रोडक्शन एक नॉर्मल इंट्रोडक्शन नहीं चाहिए मुझे, कि मैं क्या करता था, क्या से। यू हैव टू सेल योर सेल्फ इन इंट्रोडक्शन। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वो क्लाइंट है जो तुम्हें देख रहे हैं, यू हैव टू सेल योर
So
सेल्फ योर
basically, I have to
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन।
close
सेल
myself
योर सेल्फ
in
इन,
the introduction.
या इन दिस इंट्रोडक्शन।
Got it. Got it. Well, the number one thing I've learned with regards to sales is you can say a lot of promises कि मैं ये करता हूँ और मैं वो करता हूँ. But the best thing I found is to let your results speak for itself. Let your proof be the lead. रात में बोलूं कि भाई मैं तो इतना सही हूँ, मैंने ये कमाया है, मैंने वो किया है, मेरे पास ये फोन है, मेरे पास ये लैपटॉप है, आ, आ, मैंने मेरे पेरेंट्स को ऐसे हेल्प किया है और फ्रेंड्स को ऐसे हेल्प किया है, वो सब बहुत सही है, सुनने में बहुत ही ब्रैगिंग लगता है. But I do feel that if you can
अच्छा
just
लगता है।
show people, like be the example, lead with example, then there's nothing better because then I can inspire people. So at a core level, sales is all about
वो तो
understanding
पॉइंट
human
की बात है.
relationship. It's communication, and once you understand that, then you can close anyone anywhere. So if I have
क्लोज
to
एंडिंग.
be in the situation
या.
where I have to give my introduction and sell myself, I would say, hey brother, uh, before even sale begins, it's all about understanding कि मेरा prospect कौन है. Like I'm not going to be the perfect guy for everyone. It's not possible. Yeah, जो बोलता है कि sell me this pen. If you really understand how it works, how to answer that question properly, it's not like this pen is so great, it's going to help you write in the moon. You can write this in space. It's not none of that. It's like asking
या.
right questions. It's like asking, uh, can you write this down for me? And if it doesn't have a pen, he's like, I
या.
don't have a pen. Then I'm going to be like, exactly. That's why you need a pen.
हाँ. या.
Exactly. So selling and closing is all about understanding the market, understanding the person in front of you. And if that person requires something that you have, the value that you bring, then it's a no-brainer. Then it's upon me as a closer to make them realize the value. It's all game of value, communication, and relationships. So if I'm in that position that I have to sell
Okay.
myself, I would say, uh, here's my Instagram, here's the clients that I've served, and here's the results I've brought them. I've taken clients
Yeah.
from zero to $70,000 per month within 1 month with my skills. And if you feel that you want to attain that similar results, then I don't think anyone else can better help you than myself. So I would love to lead the example rather than saying कि मैंने वो किया, वो किया, वो किया. Because promises
Yeah.
are, people don't believe promises anymore. But proof, you can't
होता
deny
है.
it.
होता है. To be honest, मैं इससे अच्छा पॉइंट इंट्रो शायद से ही सुना रहूंगा मैं जितना आज तक लिया हूँ मैं, क्योंकि बहुत लोग अच्छी अच्छी बातें बोलते हैं और ट्रूथ की जो है वो है, मतलब तूने पहले बता दिया कि लोग ऐसा ऐसा बोलते हैं और ऐसा करते हैं और मैं जो है वो है इंस्टाग्राम जो भी है मैं कर रहा हूँ किया हूँ. और ये हमारा पॉडकास्ट तो फिलहाल 25 में चालू हुआ था 2019 में, फिर से ये एक बार और चालू हो गया. तो मुझे जानना है कि when did you started everything like everything मतलब ये सोचना कि कुछ करना है.
So do you want me to start right from the beginning when I was trying to figure out मुझे life में क्या करना है?
Right
कि
from
वहां
the
से शुरू करूँ जहाँ पे I can
हाँ.
explain when I started this online journey.
नहीं, मुझे जानना है कि हाँ तुमने कब शुरुआत किया सोचना कि मुझे कुछ करना है एक्चुअली मतलब.
Mm-hmm.
What
Yep.
does it feel when you started कि मुझे कुछ सोचना है, मुझे कुछ करना है लाइफ में.
Got it. So it all started, I believe, in seventh or maybe eighth standard when my mother had this jewelry shop. She still has it. We are sitting inside of it.
Yeah.
So she was a jeweler, and by the way, मेरा कोई office नहीं है, इसलिए मैं अभी ये shoot कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, because I just work from home, sometimes from cafe. Keeping that aside, start करते, I believe seventh or eighth standard में I started drawing. Like छोटा छोटा design बनाना था. I was like, okay, mom is jeweler, might as well add some value. So I was drawing few stuff, and she used my drawings, and it actually sold. Actually got sold. My drawings. So I was like, हाँ यार मैं ज्वेलर बन सकता है. अपने में है थोड़ा थोड़ा टैलेंट है थोड़ा है.
है.
Yeah, थोड़ा है. And yeah, my dad was also a good painter. Like he used to do a little bit of portraits as a hobby. So I thought पापा से थोड़ा है, मम्मी का थोड़ा
पेंटिंग तो
creativeness है.
खानदानी में
खानदानी है भाई. सही है. So I was like, okay, let me try that out. So I tried jewelry stuff, and I thought I want to become a jeweler when I grow old. So from 10th to 12, every time someone asks me, what do you want to become? I'm like, I'm a jeweler. I'm going to become a jeweler. I'm going to join my family business and become a jeweler. So they were like, yeah, this guy seems very committed. He knows what he wants to do. Awesome. बहुत ही सही. फिर 12th के बाद अपन यहाँ पे एक्चुअल में आके बैठे कि भाई क्या सीन है, how does it work? And after I guess 3 to 6 months that I tried here, I was like, this is not my jam. I'm not completely happy with what I'm doing.
When did you feel, मतलब कब फील किया तुमने कि मतलब मुझे करना नहीं है, क्या वो फील क्या थी मतलब
So
if you
it's
want to
more like
explain.
you're not in charge and you're doing stuff just because someone else is saying. Like my mom is sitting beside me and she's like, Hamza, ye kar, ye kar, ye kar. So it never felt
Hmm.
like I'm coming up with something. It's more like I'm just doing a pune job. But there's
Hmm.
nothing wrong with that. But it doesn't
Hmm.
seem like me. Doesn't seem like I want to do it. It's more like
I
someone
wanna
else
do
is
it. Yeah.
guiding you. It's like that rat race mentality where you just do the stuff that people tell you to do and nothing else.
Hmm.
And I didn't want that. I didn't like that. So पता तो नहीं था क्या करना है. But after 12th, I just worked with my mom for a few months and figured out that it's not something that I want to do. But I didn't
हाँ.
told her exactly that I don't want to do jewelry just now
Hmm.
because I need to find something else before I just even commit. और कॉलेज का टाइम था ब्रो इतना कुछ प्रेशर था नहीं. So I
हाँ.
was like,
Okay.
fuck it. सोचेंगे जब टाइम आएगा तब सोच लेंगे. So 1 year turned into 3 years and I went
Hmm.
to मेरे मॉम के ही थोड़े जो बोलते हैं ना होलसेलर्स उनके बाद
हाँ.
थोड़ा थोड़ा मैंने काम किया. मेरे मॉम के जो डायमंड फैक्ट्री के अंदर जो बंदे हैं
Hmm.
मतलब जो उनके कॉन्टेक्ट है वहां पे जाके सीखा डायमंड कैसे देखते हैं उसको कैसे परखते
Hmm.
हैं हाउ टू फिगर आउट व्हाट कलर डायमंड इज एंड ऑल दैट गुड स्टफ. वो सब सीखा
Hmm.
बट आई वाज लाइक नहीं यार मजा नहीं आ रहा है. मजा नहीं आ रहा है यार. सो आफ्टर आई थिंक इट वाज एंड ऑफ थर्ड ईयर. नो थर्ड सेम. सो फिफ्थ सेम के
Hmm.
अंदर आई वाज लाइक यार मजा नहीं आ रहा है. एंड ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम आई हैड जॉन्डिस. सो फिफ्थ सेम मैंने पूरा दिया ही
Oh.
नहीं. पूरा ही नहीं
Hmm.
दिया. So I was like, okay, no worries, I will
Hmm.
come back strong. So सिक्स सेम के अंदर मैंने प्रिलिमिनरी एग्जाम्स नहीं दी because I was like, fuck it, I don't want to give it. और जब सिक्स सेम देने गए
हाँ. हाँ.
तब बोला कि
हाँ.
बेटा आपने प्रिलिमिनरी एग्जाम्स नहीं दिए so you can't give सिक्स सेम as well. So I was completely fucked. फिफ्थ भी नहीं दिया और सिक्स भी नहीं दिया. फिर सिक्स सेम
समझ
चला गया
गई.
तो अंदर से फटी पड़ी थी कि ब्रो अब घर पे क्या बोलेंगे. So I was
करेंगे
like,
क्या.
no worries.
हाँ वही आता है फिर. करेंगे क्या भी बोलेंगे कैसे.
एग्जैक्टली क्या बोलेंगे. सो मैंने कुछ बोला ही नहीं घर पे बताया ही नहीं कि मैंने
Hmm.
नहीं दिया है. और लाइक कि हाँ ठीक है जो भी है वो सब. माय
चल
पेरेंट्स आर नॉट वेरी
चलते
नोजी.
रहेगा.
दे आर नॉट वेरी नोजी. दे आर नॉट लाइक कि भाई क्या
Hmm.
चल रहा है अभी क्या कर रहा है. दे आर लाइक चिल करते रहे तू बस रिजल्ट लेके आ जा सही रहेगा. सो आफ्टर
Hmm.
दैट पॉइंट आई वाज लाइक कि भाई कॉलेज तो
हाँ.
गया
हाँ.
है और आई डोंट सी एनी पॉइंट गोइंग बैक टू कॉलेज एंड गिविंग ऑल दोस केटीज बिकॉज रिजल्ट क्या है उसके बाद भी अगर मैंने कॉलेज कर भी लिया सो
Hmm.
आफ्टरवर्ड्स आई एम नॉट गोना मेक मोर देन 10 to 20K. लाइक इट्स अ फैक्ट. बीकॉम की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है आज के दिन में.
Hmm.
इवन एमबीए की वैल्यू कम हो रही है. सो या बीकॉम
वो
इज
तो है.
लाइक पीनट्स. सो आई वाज लाइक ये तो
बहुत
नहीं
कम हो
करना.
रही है उसकी वैल्यू.
क्या बोल रहा है.
इवन एमबीए स्टार्टेड थ्रू द फोन. एमबीए का कोर्सेज भी अभी अपग्रेड्स अपग्रेड
यप यप
कोर्सेज दे रहा है एमबीए के ऑनलाइन.
यप
हाँ वो अभी एमबीए के को मतलब वैल्यूज बस बड़े बड़े कॉलेजेस या यूनिवर्सिटीज में है. जैसे कि आईआईएम तो
यप
बाजू में ही है गुजरात में. तो
एग्जैक्टली.
वैसे वैसे कॉलेज में से बाकी इफ यू डू फ्रॉम नॉर्मल कॉलेज इट्स नथिंग. इट्स नथिंग.
मेन होता है प्लेसमेंट ब्रो. वहाँ पे कॉलेज बड़ी
तो
होती है तो प्लेसमेंट सही आती है.
हम्म फिर इसके बाद आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर यू स्टार्टेड इन फैशन इन्फ्लुएंसिंग आई थिंक.
Yep,
फैशन
exactly. Yeah.
क्लोथिंग.
So
या.
it's bit of a mix because I was thinking कि मुझे लाइफ में करना क्या है, right? And during that time मेरा
हम्म.
डैडी का भी एक प्लांट बन रहा था, बायोगैस प्लांट. He was trying to build with his
हम्म.
like हमारे जो डायमंड के पार्टनर्स हैं, they are big shots. They have ample of investment money, so they were like,
या.
let's make it happen. Biogas is upcoming thing, so my dad was building this biogas plant. So during that phase, after third year, I was still going with my dad and sometimes coming home and being in this office, helping my mom. So it was two-side thing until I find something else. So after that point, I was still going in biogas plant. I was like, ये भी मुझे मजा नहीं आ रहा है क्योंकि कुछ करना नहीं होता है. वहां पे जाके you just have to supervise because plant was still building, construction हो रहा था, वो सब हो रहा था. So there was no work for me.
या.
I was like कि ये तो नहीं करना है. So then I ventured into learning about yoga a little bit, but I never fully got into it at that moment in time. So yoga मैं थोड़ा साइड पे सीख रहा था. फिर मैंने किया कि यार फैशन अपनी थोड़ी बहुत सही है, थोड़ी सही है. So I was like कि यार फैशन इन्फ्लुएंसर बन सकते हैं. थोड़ी थोड़ी सही है, तो लाइक कि कर सकते हैं. So I was like, okay.
चल रही है.
So I tried it out. So fashion influencer कर रहे थे, and after 2 to 3 months, I realized that it does take a lot of time than I initially realized. It was, yeah, it wasn't like कि by instant gratification नहीं मिल रहा था, because it does take a lot of fucking time to build a following, and then even after that, what's the ROI? Like in Surat itself, top fashion influencer को ही मिलती है deals, and even after that, what are your earnings? Not super great. Unless you're top 1%, then you're earning like fucking badass. But besides that, it didn't seem like something that I could sustain for a long period of time. So I was like, okay, this is not what I want to do. Let's move on. Second thing I tried was yoga, being a yoga guru. Because I thought, okay, I'm fairly good at yoga than most people, so might as well make this as a career.
योगा.
Yeah, exactly. So even though I was,
हाँ,
you can say,
मैंने पोस्ट भी देखे बहुत सारे इंस्टाग्राम के.
yeah, I was trying to build that brand. Yeah, now I'm a yoga guru. I just teach yoga. I'm a meditator. I do this, I do that. Fana and
पूरा
Dimka.
पूरी.
Exactly. And even though I was a dropout, मैंने मेरा पहला सेशन मेरे कॉलेज के अंदर ही कराया था. The photos you saw on Instagram, those were from my college itself, and I was teaching my teachers how to do yoga on International Yoga Day.
सही है,
So,
सही है,
exactly. So that was really awesome.
सही है, सही है.
So वो सिखाया. After that, I started giving one-on-one coaching to people for yoga, and I quickly realized that I don't like waking up in the morning and teach people yoga. First of all, I don't like waking up in the morning at all. Second of all, I don't love teaching people yoga. I like to do it for myself, but किसी को सिखाना is not something that I want to do for life.
Yeah,
So I figured out, okay, I don't want to do this.
do for life. Yeah.
Then I tried this e-com thing. So I saw this course. It was 12,000 rupees, and I was like, okay, this guy is showing me how to make money online and in India. So I was like, okay, let me give it a shot. But पैसे तो थे नहीं. So I was like, okay, fuck it, let's do it on credit card. So credit card पे मैंने ले लिया course और करना शुरू कर दिया. पूरा लग गए थे. 20-day challenge करके कुछ course था. If it was about how to sell t-shirts and apparels online through FB ads.
Online,
So
okay.
I tried that, and I made around 7,000 rupees, and I lost about 3.5 thousand rupees. So net profit tha 3.5K. And the reason for that is because when you're doing ads, if you don't know how to do ads, then you will lose money. Like
Ads.
it's just gone. क्योंकि पता नहीं है कहाँ गए पैसे,
और
कोई रिस्पॉन्ड आ नहीं रहा है.
और एड्स कोई मामूली बात है ही नहीं कि कोई उसको रन कर पाए.
Exactly, you know it better.
बहुत लोग होते हैं जो बोलते हैं कि हाँ, बहुत लोग होते हैं जो एड्स रन कर लेंगे एवे, लेकिन जब आती है जब कोई नहीं कर पाता. मतलब बहुत आवर्स का लर्निंग करना पड़ता है. फिर उसका एआई हो गया, फिर उसका जो सिस्टम्स हो गए, बहुत लर्निंग करना पड़ता है उस चीज के लिए.
And it's fairly complex at the start because बहुत सारे अलग-अलग टर्म सीखने होते हैं. LTV क्या है और CTA क्या है, वो सब. CTA नहीं, sorry, वो तो call to action हो गया. But you get the idea. There are different stuff that you've learned inside the Facebook algorithm itself. और फिर मुझे पता नहीं था कि एड्स के अंदर एक पार्ट नहीं होता है. एड्स के अंदर कॉपीराइटिंग होता है, एड्स के अंदर हाउ टू सेल भी आता है, इन्फ्लुएंस भी होता है, साइकोलॉजिकल ट्रिगर्स होते हैं, अर्जेंसी, वो सब. So I was like, I wasn't ready for that job per se. So I was like, भाई 7,000 से ज्यादा तो अपन नहीं डाल सकते इसके अंदर. So let me just stop it because there wasn't enough investment to give into this business model. So I was like, fuck it, let's move on to something else. And then I tried this thing called affiliate marketing. And thing is, it can work for a lot of people. It is a very good model. However, if you choose the wrong product,
मैंने सीरियसली बहुत लोग को देखा है मैंने ऑनलाइन जो एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग का प्रोड्यूस करते हैं और दिखाते भी कि मैं इतना इतना अर्न किया है. आई डोंट नो रियल है कि फेक है, बट लोग दिखाते हैं कि वी आर अर्निंग राइट नाउ थ्रू एफिलिएट. इट्स
debatable.
आई थिंक.
Debatable. देखना पड़ता है कितना trustworthy for sure. If they have been in the affiliate marketing industry for more than, let's say, 3 to 5 years, then yeah, possibly they can be legit. Otherwise, I will question it for sure. So the thing is, it can work for a lot of people. But मैंने जो product choose किया था, it was fuck all. So product wasn't super great. It was good enough, but it wasn't super great. And the people who were teaching it were like, bro, they were fucking worst. The techniques they taught me were like spamming inside the group and telling them, hey, if you want to make $1,000 per month, then join our live webinar. If you want to make this much amount of money, join our webinar. And it was very spammy, and I didn't like it at all. But मैंने किया try करने के लिए.
भाई.
And what they did is on the live call itself, they used to sell you, okay, get this software. And if you get this software, then I get a commission.
Okay.
And if you get 10 to 100 people, it's more like a pyramid model, but in an affiliate marketing setting. So yeah, it was a little bit scammy, and I was like, don't want to do it. Fuck it. Next. So still, while doing this, I was still having this one leg in jewelry business, one leg in biogas, and one leg in this online work. So I was doing all of it simultaneously because I knew कि अगर मैं यहाँ पे छोड़ दूंगा सब, तो I don't have any backup option. And I was scared in a way because I was like, life में करना क्या पता तो है नहीं. And we are like, parents knows more than us. We'll just follow them. But I was also a rebel in a way because I was like, I will make it happen. I will do something on my own. So वो थोड़ा rebelliousness था, तो किया कुछ नया भी try किया.
अंदर एक fire in the belly था कि हाँ करना तो पड़ेगा भाई. अटक चुके हैं हर जगह.
You feel me? For sure. So पता नहीं था करना क्या है, fire तो है, but पता नहीं कहाँ पे shoot करना है. तो path नहीं था. Either way, my main thing was I want to try everything. I don't want to have this feeling कि भाई मुझे कुछ करना था, but मैंने life में किया नहीं. Just because I had this fear कि भाई लोग क्या कहेंगे, parents क्या कहेंगे. That is something I didn't want when I died. Exactly. लोग क्या कहेंगे. For sure. So I started doing this research कि भाई online world के अंदर दूसरे options क्या है. Because I knew I want to do something online. I want to work whenever I want from wherever I want. That's my main criteria for freedom. So I knew I want to do something online world. So I figured out some stuff and I stumbled upon this course called IG Agent. And the funny thing is, I got this whole course for free. In the beginning, I got this whole course from a group where guys already paid for the stuff and they got it for free. They shared it with us, and I got it. I implemented few stuff, but not exactly the whole thing. And I thought that if I want to do this for real, then I have to put my money on the table, actually invest in it. Otherwise, I won't take action. And I also thought that there might be few stuff that this guy didn't give us. This free guy didn't give us because there is always something that is more in the paid course. That's what I thought. So I bought the course. Actually, before even buying the course, I didn't have money, right? पैसा तो है नहीं, करे क्या? So I went to my dad. I was like, Dad, can you give me a loan of 11,000 rupees, and I will pay you back within 1 year or so. I just want to do this course, and I know if I do this course, I will have the skills to actually make this work and earn money through online mediums. So it was like, okay, if it's a loan, I will give it to you. Because the thing is, with parents, they will give you money, not even loan, money to go and pursue your normal degree courses, but they won't give you money for online courses. Yeah. So that's something that it's very, very fucked up. Exactly. Because they have been brought up like that. Like, we need to be empathetic and understand that they want best for us, but they don't know anything else other than what they currently know. If that make any sense whatsoever. So basically उनको जो पता है वही वो मानते हैं कि भाई यही सही होगा, because they haven't seen कि भाई online work कैसे work करता है, excuse me, and how to make money online. They have never done it, and they have never seen anyone in their vicinity who have actually made it happen. So it's completely understandable. मैंने बोला कोई बात नहीं, मुझे पता है कि उनको मैं कन्विंस तो अभी नहीं कर पाऊंगा. वो टाइम पे अपन इतने क्लोजर नहीं थे, तो क्लोज नहीं किया पेरेंट्स को, बट अपन ने लोन पे क्लोज कर दिया. Give me a loan for 1 month, 1 year, I mean, and I will pay you back. So पापा ने दे दिया, and the reason for that was the course I was about to do. It has an investment of $1,000. However, the aim closer told me that you can just pay $150 right now as accountability deposit and eventually pay the rest amount. So I was like, ये तो बहुत सही है. अभी $200 अपन ने दे दिया और उसके बाद जब पैसे कमाएंगे तब वापस करेंगे. He was like, okay, contact me when you get the money. So मैंने पापा से बात किया, मैंने कोर्स ले लिया, and I thought that I have to pay back when I start making money. So I was like, okay, great. After 1 month, bam, new credit card bill, $150 again. क्योंकि वो नीचे छोटा सा लिखा था कि it's not $150 right now, it's $150 recurring for 6 to 7 months. So every
Oh,
single month $150 आने वाले थे. Bam, bam, bam.
लग
I was like,
गए.
shit, ये तो लग गए हमारे. So मैंने बोला कोई बात नहीं, इसको अब करना ही है तो करना है, अपन कमिट कर दिए. So I started doing it more and more and more and more. And my initial mistake was I didn't have any uh, live coaching. Right, course था सही है, but live coaching नहीं थी. So I tried with
नहीं थे.
Indian market, and I quickly found out within a month or
हम्म.
two that Indian market is not ready for what I'm about to sell them, because Indian market is more into advertising, and DM closing is something which is
हाँ
a
वो
still
तो है.
new industry. Like it's only 3 to 5 years
हम्म.
old industry, और India में अभी तक properly आया नहीं है, and it doesn't make sense for Indian audience
हाँ.
right now, because in India low ticket offer is 1,000 rupees, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000. In America, low ticket offer is anything below $500, which is 30,000, 35,000.
That's.
Right. So
हम्म.
India के अंदर वो high ticket हो जाता है. So it doesn't make sense based on commissions and all that stuff to even go in Indian market as a DM close.
हम्म.
So I tried in India. I didn't have anyone else to tell me what to
Okay.
do. So figure out by myself that this is not going to work. And after a few months, I started seeing some results. I getting few clients, and even though I was working for free in the beginning,
हम्म.
I started getting results, because it's like you don't know if you're good enough until you actually try and until you give results. You don't have that confidence. क्योंकि कोर्स से सीख तो लिया है, बट एक्चुअल में अप्लाई रियल लाइफ में क्या वर्क करता है कि नहीं,
हम्म.
पैसे कमा पाएंगे कि नहीं, कर
हाँ
पाएंगे कि नहीं, वो होता
वो
है.
तो है.
So I tried it and got my first client, not paid client but free client, I believe in
हम्म.
September 2019, and it was a free client for 2 weeks of work. I did it, he
हम्म.
liked it, and he was like, yeah bro, let's make it happen in November में अपन properly work करना शुरू करेंगे, and it's going to be $1,000 per month. I'm like, great. So what happened is I
ओ.
pushed my leg away from the pedal. मैंने सोचा कि अब नवंबर में पैसे आने वाले हैं ना, तब पे कर देंगे. तो मैंने वर्क करना बंद कर दिया, काम
हम्म.
करना बंद कर दिया. लाइक क्या चिल है, पैसे आने वाले हैं, सही है, नवंबर में आएंगे तब देख लेंगे. देन नवंबर कम्स, एंड मैंने क्लाइंट को बोला
देख
कि
लेंगे.
हे ब्रदर,
हम्म.
let's do this. And he was like, bro, my goal have been shifted. I don't want to do this anymore. मुझे ज्यादा सीखना है, मुझे ज्यादा लर्न करना है before I hire someone as a closer for me. मैंने बोला fuck, लग गए वापस.
हम्म.
इतने इतने 2 महीने तो आराम किया अपन ने, अक्टूबर नवंबर तो आराम ही कर रहे थे अपन, एंड देन ये हो गया. So I was like,
हम्म.
fuck, I need to work again. So once I hear this, I was heartbroken for a few days कि यार $1,000 आने वाले थे, and that time $1,000
हाँ
was a lot
ये
for
तो
me,
कैसे हो गया.
because that money could actually pay all my debt.
हम्म.
At that point $1,000 was more than enough for me. uh, so I was like, fuck, this is not going to work. So I tried again. I got one more free client, did work for free for a few weeks, right, 3 weeks, and then I closed him on a commission, but it was very
हम्म.
low commission, like $75 and $100, or maybe $225 divided into 3 months. Because
हम्म.
if someone gets that kind of plan, uh, let
Just
me
pay
not,
the debt.
not go into details because it will be too much of a calculation
हम्म.
stuff. And you guys are not here for calculations. You guys are here for the journey itself. So
Okay.
just to give you this short story,
Yeah.
is that I started working with him, and
मैं एक सही बात बोलूँ मैं, कि you started this whole online thing.
Mhm,
Right now you are here
mhm,
sitting as CEO of sales, sales director.
mhm,
uh, you have friends along with you जो 11 12 साथ में किए, ग्रेजुएशन साथ में किए.
mhm.
many people होंगे, जो बहुत लोग होंगे जो फाइनेंस में गए होंगे, इंजीनियर्स में गए होंगे, डॉक्टर्स में गए
Yep.
होंगे, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट सेक्टर्स में गए होंगे. तुम्हारा भी ऐसा होगा कि मतलब मैं भी कोई सेक्टर में जाऊं, कि
Mhm,
मैं बचपन से इस सेक्टर में या उस सेक्टर में, लाइक यू सेड तुमको ज्वेलरी करना है. सो हाउ डिड यू हैंडल, कैसे हैंडल किया गया कि वो फ्रेंड्स का, कि मतलब तू क्या कर रहा है बे, तू क्या कर रहा है ब्रो, ये सब कहाँ अटक रहा है, और पेरेंट्स का, और अब क्या सिचुएशन है उस चीज का, मतलब
Yep.
पेरेंट्स क्या अब भी एज अ डाउट मोड पे देखते हैं कि मतलब सही में तू एज अ करियर इसको चला पाएगा पूरी लाइफ तक, या
Mhm.
क्या कुछ बैकअप प्लान भी है, या क्या चल रहा है लाइफ में, ऐसा कुछ?
Yep. That's a really good point, and I've definitely
लाइक यू
dealt with it.
अंडरस्टैंड कि लोग क्या कह,
समझ रहा हूँ, समझ रहा हूँ।
लाइक लोग क्या
बहुत ही
कहेंगे,
सही
नहीं
पॉइंट
लाइक
है।
नेबर्स होते हैं ना कि तुम्हारा बेटा क्या करने लगा, पढ़ाई कर रहा है और अभी क्या करेगा। हम्म।
बहुत बार हुआ है। So the
गॉड
initial
रिलीव।
6 month was the toughest.
हम्म।
Initial 6 months from जब मैंने कोर्स लिया और जब तक मैंने वो उसको little bit I started getting results,
हाँ।
तब तक जो पीरियड था 6 महीने वो बहुत ही फकौल थे. Because every single day parents are like, this is not going to work, this online thing is just a hoax. Even my family members were like, what are you doing? Join your father, he's building so much great stuff. Join your mother, she's a jeweler. What are you doing? This online thing is all fuck all, it's not going to work. So definitely every single day वो slow poison होता है ना, वो माँ का था. Every single day क्या कर रहा है बेटा? And we
हाँ।
get it, I get it. She just wanted good things for me, but at that moment I couldn't hear to her.
हाँ वो तो है।
बिकॉज अगर मैं उनको सुनने लग गया तो फिर मैं जो करना चाहता वो मैं कर नहीं पाऊंगा. तो वो मुझे झेलना था, तो मैंने झेल लिया, कोई बात
कर नहीं पाऊंगा।
नहीं. एंड फॉर फ्यू डेज और इवन फ्यू वीक्स आई डिडंट वेंट आउट एंड डू एनीथिंग बट सिट ऑन माई लैपटॉप एंड डू द वर्क. बिकॉज पता है कि यार भाई और कुछ क्या करेंगे, और क्या करेंगे, like, बाहर जाके करना क्या है. हाँ, बाहर जाके अपन वापस वही चिल मरने लग जाएंगे तो
हम्म।
फिर लाइफ में करना है वो कर ही नहीं पाएंगे कभी भी. राइट. सो दिस इज अ सॉलिड पॉइंट. एंड आई थिंक ऑन
बिल्कुल।
नवंबर और दिसंबर वहां पे आई वाज स्टिल गिविंग फ्री वर्क because I wanted to get some testimonials. Starting में बोला ना वो proof, you should lead with a proof. So I wanted to get some testimonials. So I did
होना
work for free
चाहिए।
in return of the testimonial. The deal was I'm going to work for 2 weeks and I just want the testimonial in return, whatever result I've
हम्म।
given you. तो वो करके दिसंबर तक was still building my
हम्म।
network while at the same time building my uh, client base. And at that moment, around November, December, I met this guy called Ray Bang. And this guy was making around $20,000 or maybe even more within a month. Like he was
हम्म।
completely new before this, he didn't know anything, and within a month he was making some
हम्म।
astronomical figures. So I thought I need to be in touch with this guy, and I built a network with him during that time. And in December
हम्म।
as well, he told me, "Hey brother, I'm starting this new agency in Jan 2020. Would you like to be part of it?" I was like, "This sounds interesting.
या।
Let me get back to you within a few days." And long behold, in Jan, we started as an agency. I became part of the agency and we started working together. Simultaneously, I was
हम्म।
working as a freelancer as well, but had one or two clients at the back end. And with this guy, I guess Jan 2020 is when I started to pick off.
हम्म।
I started to pay off all my debt. I started to work in a way where I was feeling good because I was delivering results for clients. I started working with a guy
हम्म।
you might have heard of called Jordan Belfort. Yeah, Wolf of Wall Street.
ओह रियली।
Yep. So we had this client called Sasha
हम्म।
Karabakh, and he had this event in Australia called Push Peak Summit, and we were closing for an
हम्म।
event featuring Jordan Belfort. So it was insane. Like it was such a great level. And February 2020 is when the event was, and I closed for him. It was a fucking phenomenal experience. And that's when I started to push everything up. So until that time, my parents didn't believe that I can do this stuff, but my friends did. My close friends, they were
हम्म।
always like, "Hamza, if you believe in this, then we support you. We feel that you can do it." And I think that's very rare, especially with friends who are not aware of this online world. Uh,
हाँ।
Luckily, I had friends who knew this online world and they kind of understood it. So they were like, "Hamza, keep going. If you believe in it, we believe in you." Even though my parents, my family didn't believe in me, I was like, let me just, I had this very keyhole view of life. I only want to listen to people who believe in me. If you don't believe in me, you don't exist to me. If you're saying bad stuff to me, I don't hear. It just doesn't affect me. I couldn't affect me because if it affected me, then I couldn't do what I wanted to do. So I think that sums up my journey in short,
होता है.
short explanation.
जब तुमने आईजी जिम शुरुआत किया था, मैं भी आईजी जिम किया हूँ. मैं
Mhm,
भले ही फ्री वाला किया हूँ, जैसे जो भी वो बताता है, थोड़ा बहुत बताता है, ऐसे किया करो,
mhm,
ऐसे किया करो. लेकिन मैंने बहुत ट्राई किया था. मैंने बहुत ट्राई किया था. मैंने बहुत डीएम्स किया था. मैंने बहुत लोगों को डीएम किया, बहुत सब लोग से बात भी किया था. हो गया था, मतलब एक क्लोज हो गया था. 300 डीएम्स में से एक क्लोज हो गया था. लेकिन तुमने क्या वो स्टेप्स लिए, मतलब जब चेंजेस होते हैं तो यहाँ से होते हैं. तो ऐसे
mhm.
कौन से हैबिट्स बनाए जो एक्शंस में कनेक्ट है? क्योंकि एक्शंस, मैंने सोचा कि मैं आज से दौड़ने जाऊँ सुबह से, तो वो नहीं हो पाया.
Mhm.
वो
Correct.
कुछ हैबिट बनानी पड़ती है अपनी, कि क्या क्या कैसे करेंगे, और उसके बाद ही हैबिट बनती है. तो वो क्या क्या हैबिट्स थे, और वो हैबिट क्या, मतलब सोचे कैसे कि मुझे ये करना चाहिए. वो
Mhm.
हैबिट्स भी डालने के लिए सोचना पड़ता है कि मतलब ये हैबिट डालना पड़ेगा मुझे, तब ये क्या हो पाएगा. तो
Yep.
वो सोचा भी कैसे?
Correct. Do you want me to break down how I form habits, or do you want me to
Yeah,
break down what kind of habits I had that led me to become quote unquote a little bit
both,
successful?
both.
Both.
How you make the habit, how you what are the habits you do to reach here this point.
Got it. So let me start with the principle kind of stuff because I think principle side of stuff is really, really important before we even go into details. The number one principle I had is I want to give value before asking anything in return. Meaning, I'm going to work for free, even though it takes a lot of effort, it takes a lot of time. I'm going to work for free so that I give them enough value that working with me becomes a no brainer for them. So there was this client, I started working in December, mid December, and I told him that I'm going to work for 2 weeks for free. But I ended up working for 1 month for free simply because I knew that if I over deliver, if I give more value, then when our month is ended, he's gonna be like, bro, you give me so much value, you close so many deals for me that I don't see anyone else better than you.
Hmm.
That mentality of giving value first is the principal side of things that actually pushed me to form all the different habits and all that stuff. Uh, I would say at that point my sleep habit was fuck all, so I don't even think about that. The main habit that I had was consistently working, like having consistent hour that I'm going to work for this kind of hour no matter what. And the principle led me to actually work on those hours. I didn't focus on any other habit but to work inside the account itself, keep getting better at the skills itself, and keep working and deliver results for this client. That's what the only thing that mattered to me. Even though my parents said that, why are you working for free? In the back of my mind, I knew that if I work for free right now, I will get the benefits later on. And it definitely paid off.
होता है.
So that is like a more principle side of things. And one particular thing is just working on your skills. And how do you work on your skills? Reps. The more you do something, the better you get at it. No questions.
होता है.
Definitely, you need more reps to get better at any skills whatsoever. So that's more of a backup side of things when I was starting my journey. If I tell you right now how to form a habit, let's say you want to work for someone for 4 hours, or let's just take a simple example. You want to start working out for tomorrow, right? Do you want to work out from tomorrow? Do you
No,
work out, by the way, brother?
I work out sometimes not, but I read book often. I read books.
Well, so you would like to work out more, correct?
Yeah.
Got it. So there are certain parts, elements to it. Let me break it down for you. The number one thing you need is a direction, a goal. Like, what is the exact goal that you want to achieve? What is the exact amount you want to lose or gain, or what kind of body you want? You need to have clear vision of what you want. Because if you don't have a goal, then you are just going nowhere. And that is not useful anyway. So why would you do that?
होता है.
So that's number one. You should have a clear goal where you want to. The next part to it is like, first part is getting disgusted with your current situation. Like if you're happy with where you are, then you would never take action on anything. Like if I was happy with the amount of money I was making in 2019, I would never have taken action. If I was making, let's say, crore per month, sitting here,
Hmm.
I would never be like, yeah, let me try something online and do that stuff. It doesn't make sense. It's very, very
Hmm.
simple. It's logical.
Yeah.
You have to have some form of fire that you told me earlier, fire within you. That fire was that I'm not making the money that I want to make, and I can't help my family at the level that I want to.
Hmm.
So going back to that goal part, you need to be disgusted with your current situation. That's number one. Number one, once you're disgusted, many people have this enough is enough moment. Like बहुत हो गया यार, अब मैं चेंज करूंगा, कल से मैं शुरू करूंगा वर्कआउट, अपन बॉडी बना देंगे ऋतिक रोशन जैसी. So वो डिस्गस्ट हो गए, वो डिसीजन बना लिए,
Hmm.
पर वो सस्टेन नहीं कर पाते. So the second part is actually deciding. And if you look at the Latin root of decision, it's incision, meaning removing all other possibilities whatsoever. Deciding that you're going to do this no matter what. That is a decision, a true fucking decision. And I think that's the second part of it. Deciding that you're going to do it no matter what. Third part to sustain it is I'm going to break it down really, really quickly for you. Number one is a reward. You need something besides this habit to look up to. Like that's end goal of having that great body is phenomenal, but it's going to take a lot of time to get there. Don't you think? Like body is not built,
Hmm.
great body is not built within month. It's built within 6 months, 1 year, 2 year,
Yeah.
3 year, even 10 years for certain people, depending upon what their goal is. So you need to have certain form of reward along the way. So I would recommend
Hmm.
do certain form of challenges, maybe 30-day, 60-day challenges to form a habit. And many times people say, how much time does it take to form a habit? Right? कई बोलते हैं ना कि it takes 21 days, it takes 60 days, it takes 90 days. I personally think it depends upon the habit you're trying to break or form. Let me explain. So if you're trying to
Yeah.
build a habit of drinking water, how much hard is it for you to actually do that during the day? It's not super hard. So if something is really, really easy for you to do, then building that habit takes less time. If something is really hard for you to do, then it takes more time to build that habit. Simply because your neurological pathways are not developed. Yes, a little bit scientific, but if your neurological pathways are not developed, it's not strengthened, then it takes a little bit effort, a little bit willpower to keep doing that same stuff, even though it's hard. Therefore, people go to work out
Hmm.
for a few days and then they fall off because it's much harder to work out than to drink a glass of water. Like it's really, really easy. So depending upon the habit you're trying to form, it can take anywhere from 21 days to 90 days. I go for 6 weeks, 6 weeks challenges, right in the middle. So you can do similar to that. That's number one. Having a reward, definitely. So if I can give you an example, a reward for me might be if I work out for 30 days straight, then I get to have hot massage, uh, hot bath
Hmm.
massage. Is it called hot? Yeah, I think it's called
Hot bath.
hot bath. I forgot the name of it, but I think it's called hot. Uh, वो फिरंगी लोग कहते हैं ना, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, जिसके अंदर they sit in the bath, they sit in hot water
Hot
and they
bath.
have balls all over it. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? I forgot the name. But basically, let's say for example a hot bath. That's my reward. Or maybe a day watching just movies, or maybe just
Hmm.
watching Netflix. That could be my reward. Yeah. Or maybe going to some
तो
yoga retreat.
बस और मैंने भी बहुत बुक्स पढ़े हैं, मतलब बहुत नहीं, 2-3 बुक पढ़े हैं हैबिट्स के ऊपर।
Mhm.
उसमें बेसिकली लिखा है कि तो उसमें 3 लेवल्स होते हैं। एक शुरुआत करने के, एक काम करने के, और काम करने का जो रिवॉर्ड मिलता है उस हिसाब से।
Mm.
लाइक अ डॉग को हम बोलते हैं सिट सिट, वो बैठता नहीं है, और वो एक टाइम बैठ जाता है, वो थक के बैठ जाता है, और उसको
Mhm.
वो उस टाइम मिल जाता है बिस्किट। तो बोलता है अच्छा बैठने ही मिलता है क्या? तो फिर वो जब सुनेगा सिट, तो सिट और उसको मिलता है, तो
Got
वो
it.
उसी उम्मीद पे रहता है कि सिट बोलने जाएगा, बैठूंगा और तो मुझे मिलेगा। तो
I
ब्रेन भी
think,
उसी चीज पे काम करता है
yeah,
कि अगर मैं ये काम किया तो मुझे कुछ मिलेगा,
absolutely.
क्योंकि ब्रेन कभी काम करना नहीं चाहता
I think what you're talking about is about cue. Having that cue कि भाई
है।
मैं
हाँ,
बैठता हूँ तब
क्यों?
मुझे खाना मिलता है. I think the
हम्म।
guy's Atomic Habit, really, really smart guy,
एटॉमिक
James
हैबिट्स,
Clear.
हाँ या
Cue, craving, reward, response and reward.
रिस्पॉन्स रिवॉर्ड।
Yep. Yeah. Really smart guy. Really learned a lot from him as well, and definitely works.
हाँ.
So reward jo part hai, what I'm talking about is not an instant reward. I'm talking about the reward that you
हम्म.
will get after you complete the
Okay.
challenge. Yep. So
After.
that's one part of it.
हम्म.
Reward. It could be you going out for movies. It could be you going out on a date with your girlfriend, if you have any. If It could
हम्म.
be you just going out with your friends and go for a bowling, something like that. It could be anything. You need to figure out for yourself what is
हम्म.
going to be that reward for you, right? Uh, at the same time, there is something that people forget, but you need to have consequence as well. What happens if you don't complete this challenge? What happens if you don't complete this challenge? It's really, really crucial because
हम्म.
if you look at the psychology, people are motivated two times more for loss than gain. If you were to lose
हम्म.
something, you are two times more motivated to do something about it rather than if you were to gain something from that same action. So if you understand the psychology, then you know if you have consequence in place of it, you're two times motivated to actually go and work out rather than just the reward. So that is the second level.
हम्म.
You need to have reward,
और
you
ये
need to
और ये
have
चीज
consequence.
एक्चुअली फैक्ट है कि लोग ये चीज एक्चुअली फैक्ट है कि लोग लॉसेज आ जान देते हैं कि अगर मैं लॉस हो गया तो मुझे इतना करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि आई हैव अ फ्रेंड विशाल नाम है उसका मैं
Uh,
और वो हम लोग बेट लगाए थे कि हम लोग एक मेरा ऑटोमिक हैबिट थी हैबिट दैट चेंज यू 400 पेजेस की बुक थी वो
mhm.
400 पेजेस की बुक हम लोग दो चैलेंज लगी थी कि हम लोग अगर नहीं किए तो जो उसका उसका कुछ डिमांड था मेरा कुछ डिमांड था तो हम लोग मैं बोलूंगा नहीं लेकिन वो डिमांड था हम लोग का
I
और
hear
वो
you.
बहुत पैसे वाला है वो बहुत पैसे वाला है मतलब वो जो डिमांड था वो पैसे का था तो मैं बोला कि इतना पैसा देने से अच्छा मैं बुक ही पढ़ लेता हूँ आई कंप्लीटेड दो दैट बुक अराउंड इन 3 days मैं 300 दिन में 400 पेज पढ़ा ही नहीं था मैंने
Right on,
वो
bro.
टाइम पे खत्म कर दिया था 400 पेजेस 3 days में खत्म और ऐसे
Exactly.
और मैं जीता वो चीज
It
जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ
works.
प्रेशर कि वो लॉस मैं ना लूं मैं
It works. It just fucking works. Yeah, we need to play a game with
हम्म.
ourselves to win in this thing called life. Definitely. And there was one point that I want to mention is accountability. Reward हो गया, consequence हो गया.
हम्म.
But अगर कोई बंदा तुम्हें accountable रखने के लिए नहीं है, so when you lose,
हम्म.
you won't actually take action on this consequence. But because तेरे साथ bet लगी, तेरा friend था तेरे को accountable रखने के लिए,
हम्म.
you had that someone, therefore you actually committed and did it.
हम्म.
बिकॉज थिंक अबाउट अगर तू अपने आप को सिर्फ बोलेगा कि मैं ये रिवॉर्ड करता हूँ और ये मेरा कॉन्सिक्वेंस होगा और अगर तूने अचीव नहीं किया तो तुझे खुद को ही पता है ना यू लाइक क्या चलो कोई बात नहीं अभी कॉन्सिक्वेंस नहीं रखते हैं नेक्स्ट टाइम करेंगे बट अगर तेरे पास कोई तेरा फ्रेंड है और तूने तब नहीं किया एट दैट पॉइंट यू आर लाइक ब्रो आई नीड टू डू इट एनी हाउ बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू लुक डाउन विथ माय फ्रेंड्स
हम्म.
आई डोंट वांट टू बी द गाय हु डजंट कमिट टू हिज वर्ड्स with his friends.
हम्म.
So the third part is definitely public accountability for
हम्म.
sure.
पब्लिक से याद आया मुझे पब्लिक से याद आया
Mhm.
व्हाट अबाउट द कम्युनिकेशन स्किल क्योंकि जब मैं स्टार्टिंग में तुमसे मिला तुमने बताया था मुझे कि यू आर इंट्रूडर you don't like to talk with anyone you feel shy to talk to anyone how do you build a communication skill to talk with other people even if you don't know them
Mhm.
how
So I would say when I first talked with you, uh, I don't remember exactly मैंने क्या बोला था, but I feel that I said something along the lines of that I used to think I'm an introvert, but personally I feel this
hmm.
introvert, extrovert, ambivert, all of this is just a facade. It's just my hypothesis
Just a
that
word
yeah, it's my hypothesis that
hmm.
someone somewhere was like, I don't like this guy. I want to name him as an extrovert.
Hmm.
I don't like this guy. I want to name him as an introvert. To put someone down, someone just created this box.
Hmm.
It may or may not be true, but for me, it's true. So I don't give a fuck. If it's true for me, it's good enough for me. So I don't think there is any introvert, any extrovert, any ambivert. I just feel it's all about state. So if you've realized if your state is really really good, you are extrovert in certain situations, even though you normally wouldn't be extrovert. And if your state is really, really bad, you don't feel good, if you're very sleepy, then you won't be extrovert no matter how extrovert you think you are. In that moment, you will become an introvert guy. So I do feel it's all about state. If you can change your state, then you can become whoever you
Yeah.
want to be.
Hmm.
So that's my take on introvert, extrovert, and ambivert.
Hmm. And I think जितना बात करेंगे उतना ज्यादा अर्जेस ही बढ़ेगी, मतलब सब बोल पाए, क्योंकि अगर कोई सामने जो बंदा है या बंदी है वो नॉर्मल,
Mhm.
मतलब जिसको जानते हुए स्ट्रेंजर है, तो उसको हमारा माइंड कहता है कि इसको क्या बोले, अरे इसको क्या बोले, शुरुआत कैसे करें बात करना. So how
Mhm.
that works?
Yeah, I think it works. It
Like you
starts
have
with,
closed many clients who are strangers.
yep. It's all about building that environment of
Like
safety.
you have closed many clients.
Yep. Yeah. Let me break it down for you. It's very
Hmm.
similar in dating and getting clients. Sometimes similar, but not completely. However, there are certain things that you can take away from closing clients as well. Is number one, building relationship,
Hmm.
focusing on building relationship rather than just,
Hmm.
yeah, I just want to close this client and go out. It's like difference between
Hmm.
actually committing to something and actually trying to bring value rather than being this greedy guy of just I just want to close this guy, close. It's more about let's build a
Hmm.
relationship here, and closing will be the natural outcome of it, if that makes sense.
Hmm.
So certain things you can take. Going back to your communication part, I think it's all about number one, practice, wrapping out. Because communication, what it is, it's just a skill. I didn't used to be this kind of communicator. I had a completely different way of communicating few years ago, and now it's different. It's not magic. I just practiced it more, and I do feel there is a lot of improvement I need to complete do right now. Like even right now, I need to keep leveling up. Even though certain people might look up to me, or certain people look down to me. Either way, it does
How,
not matter. So going back
how
to
does
communication,
how does you level up the things?
exactly. Let me
How
break it
does you
down for
level
you.
up the things? मतलब कैसे क्या क्या practice?
Yep.
Hmm.
I think I mentioned this on last podcast as well. But there's certain thing called social challenges. You can do social challenges, and that will
Like how?
basically give you the leeway of understanding that people don't give a fuck. Like people don't give a fuck, and you shouldn't give a fuck as well. And this social challenges will help you to see that people actually don't give a fuck. So I think the
हाँ
number one thing you can do to instantly have this
हाँ
confidence, instantly
correct.
understand the social
Hmm.
dynamics, and not be the guy who thinks log
Hmm.
kya kahenge, or even for that matter, girl that thinks log kya kahenge. If
Hmm.
you want to get off this mentality and not give a fuck, then do social challenges. Certain things I did is recently, uh, I I walked backwards in jogging areas. So I walked backwards in jogging areas
Hmm.
with my hands going like this all the while for 10 minutes straight.
Hmm.
You will quickly find that people look at you for few seconds and then they go back to
हाँ
what they
कि
were doing
मतलब
initially.
ये क्या कर रहा है, ये
Exactly.
क्या कर रहा है.
ये क्या कर रहा है? ये कौन है?
Hmm.
ये कौन सा पागल है? But after a while, they don't give a fuck. They just move on and do their own thing. So it does not matter.
Hmm.
So these are the few things that you can actually do. Like one of them is walking backward. Other one is just barking. I do it a lot. And you just bark. And I've done it
Hmm.
in public areas like a lot. I've done it with when I was giving speeches. I've done it there on stages. I've done it there. So once you do that, it just it's a proof to yourself that no matter what you do, you're not gonna die, and it's okay to
Hmm.
be weird. It's okay to be normal. It's okay to be whatever you
Hmm.
want to be.
वो तो है.
So that is number one. Definitely try social challenges. It will change your whole communication. Because उसका reason क्या है? That when we're talking to
Hmm.
someone, we are thinking by मैं कैसा लग रहा हूँ, मैं कैसा दिख रहा हूँ, मैं कैसे बोल रहा हूँ, सामने वाला how they are perceiving me.
Hmm.
वो बहुत होता है. But once you do social challenges, you realize that people don't give two shits about this kind of stuff. So why should I give two shits about this as well, right?
Hmm.
तो फिर तुम जब communicate करते हो, it's very
तो है.
open and authentic because you are completely free. You're not thinking कि भाई सामने वाला मेरे बारे में क्या सोच रहा है.
Hmm.
You're just there listening to them. Like right now, I'm just looking at you. I'm like, ये बंदा बहुत ही deeply मुझे सुन रहा है. आशीष बहुत ही deeply मुझे सुन रहा है. Similarly, if you
Hmm.
if you're always thinking about yourself, like how I'm looking, how I'm speaking, then you're not present here. You're not talking with someone else. You're just saying what you want to say, regardless of how someone else is feeling right now. Make sense?
Hmm.
So definitely number one part is to do the
Yeah.
social challenges, and then next part comes is where you start going out. You go to the places where people who are similar mindset to you hangs out, and then you start approaching people. You start building your confidence.
Hmm.
You start applying stuff, be it you learn from YouTube or someone else. It's very easy to understand stuff on YouTube, like how to talk with people. There are a million different ways they can teach you. It's all about going there and applying, because that's what takes balls.
Hmm.
It takes effort, it takes willpower to actually go out there and speak to someone. So I think that's two steps
Hmm.
you can follow.
Hmm.
I would say first do social challenges,
And
and once you understand the
second one,
psychology side of it, then you start going out and talking with people, talk with everyone, and start building a relationship over there.
अभी फिलहाल जो भी अभी हमारा सेशन चल रहा है, वीडियो पॉडकास्ट चल रहा है, उसमें
Mhm.
बहुत बात उसकी टेकिंग एक्शन है। आई वांट टू नो योर वे कि टेकिंग एक्शन जब तुम करते हो तो मतलब क्या उसके लाइंस होते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल यू वन रीड अ बुक समथिंग, फॉर एग्जांपल you have to
Mhm.
read a book and you have to complete it within 7 days. Within 7 days, this book you have to complete it.
Mhm.
तो कैसा तुम्हारा लाइनअप रहता है, कैसा तुम्हारा स्ट्रक्चर रहता है कि वैसे ऐसा करना है वैसा करना है, वो टेकिंग एक्शन का स्ट्रक्चर कैसा है, वो स्ट्रक्चर से बनता है।
Yep, definitely a
फॉर
great
यू।
question. I think I learned this from my friend, my business partner, my mentor, Ray Pang. What he does is he break it down to the level that you know exactly what to do every single day. So let's say your goal is to read 200 pages book within a week, right? That's your goal. You need to break it down. How much time will it take me to actually do certain numbers of pages within a day? So if your rate is that you can read 20 pages within an hour, then you know for a fact that you need to do at least, let's say for the sake of calculation, it's 10 days, right? 10 days mein book padhni hai 200 pages. So every single day I need to read at least 40 pages to reach 200 pages. Yeah, I need to read at least 20 pages to reach 200 pages within 10 days, right? So if I know I need to give at least 1 hour every single day to read 20 pages, then I know at the end of 10 days I will achieve my goal no matter what. So rather than focusing कि मुझे 200 पेज पढ़नी है, I need to focus आज क्या करना है. Today I need to break it down to 20 pages and just do that. That's just one part of like going back to that habit part. First goal क्या है? गोल को ब्रेक डाउन करता है कि भाई ईच डे क्या करना है. Once you have that goal in front of you, then it's about scheduling. Schedule करना पड़ता है कि भाई मुझे कब करना है. Because if you think yeah I'm gonna read 20 pages during the day when I get
और
time,
ये बहुत लोग
कभी नहीं होगा.
हम्म,
ऐसे टाइम आता नहीं
सही
है
है।
हवा में से.
और
You have to
और ये चीज
schedule it.
बहुत लोग मतलब और ये चीज बहुत लोग क्लियर करते हैं, स्ट्रक्चराइज नहीं कर पाते जस्ट बिकॉज कि जो पास्ट होता है वो बहुत वो स्टेप्स जो होते हैं स्टेपिंग स्टोन तो बहुत स्ट्रेट होते हैं। यू नो कि कैसा पास गया, कैसे गया, किस लिए गया, कैसे गया। लेकिन जब वो लोग का टाइम आता है कि मतलब अभी फ्यूचर स्ट्रक्चर करें तो वो लोग कंफ्यूज रहते हैं और वो लोग फ्यूचर में ही रहते हैं। एक चीज
Mhm.
कहा गई है कि आई थिंक भगवत गीता में कृष्ण जी ने बोली है कि
Mhm.
प्रेजेंट पे ध्यान दोगे ना तो फ्यूचर अपने आप बन जाएगा। यहाँ की सीढ़ी बनाओगे, यहाँ की सीढ़ी बनाओगे तो
Mhm.
आप आगे की सीढ़ी अपने आप बनती जाएगी। तो
Exactly.
फोकस ऑन द प्रेजेंट राइट नाउ इंस्टेड ऑफ फोकसिंग ऑन द फ्यूचर।
Yep. I think it's called
तो
the quote
मुझे वो
is
चीज ज्यादा हिट हुई।
focus on the process rather than proceed. Focus on the uh, journey, not the destination.
प्रोसेस इन द हैंड, प्रोसेस इन द हैंड। हाँ
Exactly.
वही।
They all talk about the
तो
same
वही
thing.
चलता रहता है।
गीता सही बात कर रहे हैं.
हम्म।
ये modern day gurus, they're saying the same thing in different languages. It's all saying like focus on the process. If you focus on the process, results will come at the end.
टॉकिंग
Definitely.
अबाउट talking about modern gurus, you have seen many people in the Instagram, many people in the social media, many people in YouTube. What advice मतलब आज 2021 है, बहुत लोग बहुत कुछ ट्राई आउट कर रहे हैं, बहुत बहुत कुछ नया ट्राई आउट कर रहे हैं।
Mm-hmm.
सो जो जो एक इंसान है जो अब मतलब उसको समझ में नहीं आ रही कि ट्राई आउट करूँ तो करूँ क्या, क्योंकि सब कुछ हो चुका है, क्योंकि आज के टाइम पे ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं जो कुछ नया इन्वेंट कर पाए।
Mm-hmm.
ऑलरेडी इन्वेंटेड जो भी चीज करना था, जो भी टाइप्स ऑफ क्रिएट क्रिएट आउटपुट करना था, सब कुछ बना चुके हैं। उनके लिए कैसा होगा, बिकॉज यू आर अ पर्सनल ब्रांडर एज वेल, पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग, सो उनके लिए एक एडवाइस, तो उनके लिए क्या मतलब कैसे चालू करेंगे?
Got it. So if I understand your question correctly, you meant that people who are starting out just right now, who want to get into this online world, how would they start their
हम्म
business? Or how would they brand themselves on
हम्म
Instagram? Is that correct?
हम्म
Got it.
या या
So I think the number one way is to first understand your target audience, who you're gonna target, because you can't figure out content क्या बनाना है अगर तुमको आइडिया नहीं कि
हम्म
किसके लिए content बनाना है.
पता
Yeah.
की
So
बात है।
first you need to figure out who is your target audience. आपकी niche
हम्म
क्या है? What exactly are you gonna talk about?
हम्म
Once you have that niche, once you have understanding कि भाई target audience कौन है, then you can create content based on that. And there is a system we use inside our agency.
हम्म
Uh, Basically, the system is that you want to figure out siren calls. What are siren calls? It's basically like,
हम्म
if I were to explain you, I don't remember the mythology, but basically ऐसा था कि एक शिप जा रही है
हम्म
और ओडिसिस करके एक बंदा था, and he know that if you pass from this island, then there is this ladies who sing, and once they start singing, everybody who passes from the ship, they
हम्म
move towards that singing voice. और वहां पे जब जाते थे तब वो बंदियां आके सबको मार देती थी.
हम्म
सो वो जो गाना गाती है वो बंदियां, उसको बोलते हैं सायरन. कि भाई ऐसा गाना बोलते हैं,
हम्म
ऐसा गाना गाते हैं
हम्म,
कि कोई रेजिस्ट ही नहीं कर पाता, सब चले ही जाते हैं वहां. उसको बोलते हैं सायरन कॉल्स.
सब चले जाते हैं पीछे करके।
एग्जैक्टली. तो
हम्म
ओडिसिस ने क्या किया कि उसके अपने हाथ बांध दिए, वो जो व्हील होता है ना शिप का, उससे बांध दिए कि वो टर्न नहीं कर पाए.
हम्म
और उसने बोला कि सब अपने कान के अंदर कुछ डाल दो तो सुनाई नहीं दे.
कुछ
और
डालते हैं।
फिर उसके हिसाब से वो लोग बच गए. सो दैट्स द स्टोरी बिहाइंड. इट माइट बी ट्रू, इट माइट नॉट बी ट्रू. इधर वे दैट्स द स्टोरी. तो वहां से ये
हम्म
कॉन्सेप्ट आता है सायरन कॉल्स. हमको हमारा कंटेंट ऐसा रखना है कि जब हमारा कंटेंट आए तो लोगों को वो कंट्रोल ही नहीं कर पाए, वो देखना ही चाहे कि भाई क्या आशीष आज क्या डाल रहा है, कौन सा कंटेंट डाल रहा है, कौन सा पॉडकास्ट आ रहा है. So we want our content to be like a siren calls. People can't resist it. How do you find siren calls? You look at the existing market. आपके जो competitors हैं, आपके जो similar kind of niche में जो बंदे हैं, आपकी current audience है, उनके अंदर आप research कर सकते हो. You ask certain questions कि what kind of issues you are facing in this particular niche, whatever that might be it in podcast niche, be it in fitness niche, be it in coaching industry, कोई भी industry हो सकती है. You need to first, if you have
हम्म
audience, research with them. Then you can look at your competitors.
हम्म
Then you can also go on Google and figure out कौन सी ऐसी साइट्स है जो तेरे niche के अंदर है, और देखो कि वहां पे वो क्या बात कर रहे हैं. एंड फ्रॉम दैट यू कैन
हम्म
फिगर आउट अ बेसिक स्टेप कि भाई ये चीजें लोग बहुत बात कर रहे हैं अभी, तो उस पर अगर मैं कंटेंट बनाऊंगा तो लोगों को बहुत इंटरेस्ट आएगा, बिकॉज दैट इज समथिंग दैट दे
हम्म
वांट राइट नाउ. So that is the one part of it, siren calls. And that is just one part of the whole content journey, which I can't show you right now because it's going to take you maybe even 4 to 5 hours to explain you everything about content. But I think that's one of the key part. Along with that, you can understand triple A's,
हम्म
which basically stands for assets, advantages, and associations. Meaning, you want to have assets in your content.
हम्म
What are assets? Assets could be your laptop. Assets could be your car, your house. Assets could be also relationship. You have a girlfriend. You have great friends. Those are your assets.
हम्म
Assets could be also value. Like one of my value is family. Like I really value my family. I do want to give them best world has to offer. One of
हम्म
my value is like focusing on the effort, like process. बात की ना जब process पे focus करनी है. Same thing. One of my value is
हम्म
effort. Always focus on the process, not the proceeds. Proceeds will come if you just focus on the process right now. So similarly, you can share that values with your audience, and that's an asset for you. Mindset is an asset for you. So those are assets. Advantages
हम्म
are very similar to asset, not even similar, it's same as asset. The only difference is you have it, but your competitor does not have. You have that asset, but your competitor does not have that asset.
वो तो है।
That's your advantage. So if you came from a background which is like you were, let's say for example, you came from a place where you have to study in below a lamppost. I think that's वो classic होती है स्टोरी के lamppost के बीच नीचे study किया है
हाँ
हमने. वो वाला अगर तुम बंदे हो
तुम्हारे
and your
तुम्हारे
competitor
जमाने
does not,
में।
yeah, exactly. So अगर तुम्हारे competitor does not have that story, then you have that asset. Your story is your asset.
हम्म,
वह मैं कहाँ से आया हूँ, मैं कहाँ पे था और अब कहाँ पे हूँ. That could be your asset. But also it's an
हम्म,
advantage because your competitor does not have. So you need to find out stuff that is assets
हम्म,
and also advantages for you, for your industry, right? Like people who
yeah,
you look up to, your students, sorry, your mentors, people who you
हम्म,
serve, your clients, and people who are your students. All of these things, you should always keep mentioning that in your content. Because what's going to happen is if you keep showcasing this assets, advantages, this association in your content, people are going to get influenced
हम्म,
by it. They're going to see that you have stuff that they want, you have friends that they want, you have mentors that they want, you have students, kind of students
हम्म,
that they want to have themselves. And if you showcase these kind of stuff in your content, it increases your influence. So I think if you can
हम्म,
inject those assets,
yeah,
advantage, association in your content, it's going to be phenomenal. While also keeping in mind the
हम्म,
main point of the content, which is siren calls. So I think that is a basic idea that you can get right now and start creating your content. Again, this is very broad, general sense, so I'm not
हम्म,
going very deep with it. But definitely, if you want to go a little bit deeper, then DM me and
किसी दिन
I'll be
और
happy to coach you.
किसी दिन और कर लेंगे।
Yep, for sure.
हम्म। And how did meditation and workout helped you with, like you do meditation? I've seen your post, and I know you are doing meditation and yoga.
Yep,
So how it's helping you internally as well as externally? It's helping, but how it's internally?
got it. So right now I'm practicing something called transcendental meditation. TM meditation बोलते हैं. If you just Google it, a lot of celebrities does it. Even in America, Jerry Seinfeld, Hugh
Hmm.
Jackman, I forgot the name, but either way, you get the idea. A lot of celebrities are doing it, and I want to try it. America में the
Hmm.
same course cost about I believe $900. India में वो है ₹5,000.
Oh.
Yeah. So I went in India to a place who I can where I can learn it from, and I basically learned transcendental meditation, and I'm practicing it at least 20 minutes a day. And brother, it's a game changer. It's a form of meditation where you don't have to focus or give attention to one thing. It's a easy way of doing meditation, and I can't explain you right now, but I think it's one of the most easiest form of
Hmm.
meditation anyone can ever do. Uh, Again, you're not focusing on your breath, you're not
Just
focusing
what you
on.
get from what you get from it.
Yep. So what I get from it is
Hmm.
more calmness, more groundedness. After I do it, it's more like a recharge for me. Once I do that meditation, I feel recharged. I feel that now I'm
Hmm.
centered, I'm focused, and I can present myself at best of my
Hmm.
ability. I think that's number one, definitely. Being grounded, again, I mentioned earlier. Uh, Along with that, I would say
Hmm.
I haven't experienced it yet, but they say if you keep doing it for a long period of time, then you can also reduce your sleep quota.
Hmm.
Because in a way, in meditation, you're going into a deeper state of relaxation than even you can get during your deep state. So we'll see. We'll see. I've
Hmm.
started doing it this year from Jan, and I'm doing it till now. Let's see. I'll keep you posted on the results. So that's number one about meditation.
Very
With
good.
regards to yoga, I
Yeah.
don't do yoga anymore. I do something called bioenergetics. It's a
Hmm.
form of body-based therapy which removes different kinds of body holdings, tensions in your body. If you had past traumas or past conditioning issues, then it solves that through body-based stuff. Definitely look into it. YouTube, Google bioenergetics. I definitely recommend it. Can't recommend it enough to
Same.
everyone.
Uh, what do you think about the investing and trading, like in the stocks? Like many people are getting attention through it right now
Hmm.
because
Got
of the
it.
apps which are right now. So, uh, what piece of advice for the people who invest, or that's
Makes sense. So let me just start, preface this by letting you know that I'm not an investor.
hmm,
Whatever I've learned so far is through my mentors, and certain things I'm not going to do. just because my uh, you can say my code of conduct doesn't allow. So let me break it down. Uh,
Hmm.
we we as a Muslim, we don't take any interest. We don't invest in anything which
Hmm.
has interest attached to it. Because of that reason, I can't invest in stocks. I can't
Hmm.
invest in shares.
Hmm.
Some people say stocks, it doesn't have any interest, but in a way it
Okay.
has. If I break it down for you, basically,
Hmm.
if you get shares, you're becoming part of the company, right? You become the part of the
Hmm.
company. And if
Yeah.
company in today's era especially, they don't they don't have everything pure without any form of interest, if that makes sense, any sense
Hmm.
whatsoever. So companies, they have to invest, and they have to invest in certain things where they need to get interest from the banks to save themselves, have some form of security, right?
Yeah.
So if I'm becoming part of the
Hmm.
company is investing in banks
Hmm.
and getting interest, then I'm also getting in that interest in a way. So for that particular reason, I don't invest in
Hmm.
stocks. The number one thing I invest in is in
Okay.
my skills. I keep investing in my skills
Just to
again
grow
and again.
yourself. Hmm.
Yep. I think
Hmm.
that is one of the best investment you can ever do until you reach a point where you can't invest in yourself
Hmm.
enough. So my number one form of investment is always
Okay.
learning. And learning from people who are experts, not this traditional
Hmm.
courses where they say it's an expert, but they've never done it for themselves. So I do keep investing in myself.
Hmm.
And eventually the goal is to invest in other businesses. But right now I'm still building that capital so that I can invest in different businesses and become a sleeping partner. With regards to stocks, I'm not into it, so can't guide anyone on that. I do have certain friends
Hmm.
in Australia who do invest in forex. They invest in crypto. Uh, but again, use your own brain, brother. Use your own brain. Do more research
Yeah.
and only invest when you actually understand it.
Hmm. Hmm. So what's your future plan for right now?
Right. So my vision, like I have a huge visions. My vision for 10 year,
Hmm.
my 10-year vision is to make 1 crore per month. That's my 10-year vision. Once year per
Hmm.
month, that's about $1.7 million per year. So I just want to make that,
Hmm.
and I think it's achievable. Definitely within 10-year frame of time, I can make it happen. So that's my money-based vision. I definitely have other visions,
Hmm.
like I do want to have solid body where I'm jacked as fuck. Right now I'm skinny, but I'm still building it,
Hmm.
kaizening it every single day. Uh, I
Hmm.
would say by 10 years frame of time, I might have one kid, yeah,
Hmm.
and I might be shifting to somewhere else from Surat. So I might not be living in Surat, probably either in Pune or somewhere else, but definitely not in Surat all the year. That's like 10-year thing. I don't have a lot of like car based stuff or कि भाई मुझे ये कार चाहिए वो चाहिए इतना ज़्यादा vision नहीं है.
Hmm.
But I do have three things. Like I definitely want Mini Cooper, definitely want potentially a Tesla if India में आ गई है. Like a Tesla नहीं है, then I like Aston
Hmm.
Martin as well. So Aston Martin and one Range Rover. So I want one car in all of those different sectors. Mainly
Hmm.
Range Rover is going to be for my dad
Uh.
because he loves more muscular kind of stuff, muscular kind of cars. So Range Rover is going to be for that, but other cars are for myself, and that's my car-based thing within 10-year frame. And definitely 2 to 3 properties, maybe
Uh.
one in Surat, one in Pune, and maybe one in some American land. Yeah, that's the goal for now.
Hmm. That's good. That's good. That's good. What's your life purpose?
What's my life? That's deep, bro.
Like, what do you wanna do, achieve in life?
Yeah. So let me give you a quick breakdown. To me, there is a difference between your vision and your purpose. It's completely
Hmm.
different. Vision is something that I want to create
Hmm.
5 year, 10 years, 1 year down the line, right? And purpose is something that I'm doing right now to help the world. What I'm for in this world, what I'm doing in this world to help people, what value that I bring to the people.
Hmm.
That's something that is my purpose. So I
Hmm.
think purpose is something that you do every single day to bring value to people, to bring you bring everything you got to the people, right? So With regards to my purpose right now, it can change over time. However, right now it is I want to help my clients help the world. I want to help my clients help the world.
Okay.
Meaning, my main criteria, my main niche right now is helping coaches. People who are fitness coaches, people who are money coaches, people who are life coaches. I help those kind of people right now. Right. So if I help them and they help other
Hmm.
clients, then in a way, I help the world. So if I don't help them with their sales and marketing, they are not able to get the clients they need to help other people with their fitness, with their money, with their life. And
Hmm.
the life is not better because of that. But if I'm able to help them with their sales, with their marketing, with their coaching programs,
Mm-hmm.
then they are able to get clients. Then they're actually able to impact those clients, and then their life is better because of it. So that's my purpose right now. I want to help my clients help the world.
I don't know. Like you are in more into the foreign businesses, foreign peoples working with them.
Yep.
How do you see the Indian business? How do you see how? What's your view on Indian business, which are right now?
It's a very broad question. One thing I can definitely say is lack of being open to new ideas, like being very stringent.
Mm-hmm.
That this is the way I'm going to do my work, and this is what I will do no matter what. Not I would say not being open to different kind of ventures. There are certain people who have been
Uh,
there for so long and they are doing the stuff same way for so long that they are not ready to change themselves or better themselves or upgrade themselves.
mm-hmm.
And I definitely feel that
That's
if
true.
we have more that kind of exposure, more that kind of mentality, then India as a whole will become much better.
Of adapting new things,
Yeah,
whatever
exactly,
comes in the way.
एग्जैक्टली और ऐसा है कि ब्रो अगर बहुत ही ग्रैन्युलर लेवल पे बात करें ग्रैन्युलर लेवल पे सो मुझे बहुत आइडिया नहीं है बिकॉज आई एम
Hmm.
नॉट समवन हु इज गोना बी लाइक या मुझे बहुत पता है मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ ये वो बोल रहा हूँ
Hmm.
आइडिया नहीं है तो नहीं है ब्रो आई नो अबाउट ऑनलाइन वर्ल्ड
Okay.
आई नो अबाउट ऑनलाइन स्पेस आई डोंट नो अलॉट
Hmm.
अबाउट इंडियन स्पेस और इंडिया के अंदर जो लोकल बिजनेस में क्या हो रहा है क्या अच्छा करना चाहिए क्या बुरा करना चाहिए
Hmm.
आई डोंट हैव एनी ओपिनियन अबाउट दैट बिकॉज आई डोंट
Hmm.
नो एंड इट्स ओके टू से आई डोंट नो आई फील
Yeah, that's true. And the last question, finally, a last question है. I want to know इंडिया के यूथ, मैं भी यूथ हूँ, मतलब what the steps if they don't know, like you tried 5 to 6 things, but there but बहुत लोग ऐसे नहीं है कि उन लोग को ट्राई करने चांस भी मिले उतने थिंग्स करने के. सो कैसे चीजें करें, कैसे चीजें adjust and find out what's next, what happened, क्या किया जाए लाइफ में, कैसे किया जाए, what's the structure and roadmap
That's a really
for any
solid
people,
question, brother. Yeah.
any people.
Uh, my number one advice, not even advice, my number one invitation for people to try out is try more stuff. Try more stuff. Like as you mentioned, I tried 5 to 6 different stuff before I landed on stuff that I actually want to do in my life. Right? So I tried different stuff. You're asking me that many people don't even have
हाँ.
the option to try out. And I say
हम्म.
bullshit. I say bullshit. You always, always, always have option. You always do. Like, let me give an example. One of my mom's क्या बोलते हैं उसको कारीगर, uh,
हम्म.
the one who makes the ornament, one of the kid,
हम्म.
he is I believe 15-year old, right? And
हम्म.
his parents disowned him in a way. His mother is dead. His father have married someone else. His brothers are like, we're not going to give you any property, so just
हम्म.
fuck off. And that guy in that situation, he's like, I need to make something of my own, so I need to work on myself. So he started doing extra shifts, even
हम्म.
working at 4 a.m. in the morning till 4 a.m. in the morning. He started making certain stuff, certain ornaments, going extra mile, and started making money, so that when he goes back to his hometown, he can build his new house.
हम्म.
There is always option. It's just that are you willing to pay the price? Are you willing to actually pay the price to get to the level that you want to get? Right?
हम्म.
So number one is definitely try out more stuff. Most of the people that come to me, he like, bro, you are achieving so much stuff. How can I do similar
Hmm.
stuff? And I'm like, bro, how much stuff have you tried so far? How many things have you actually experienced? And all of
Hmm.
them say one to two stuff. Like either they have done some form of degrees and nothing else. So I'm like, bro,
Hmm.
if you have not tried enough, how would you know what you want to do? It's very,
True.
very
True.
simple.
सही
Uh,
बोला तूने.
I got lucky after 6 shots. Maybe you get lucky after 2 shots. Maybe
Hmm.
someone have to try 10 different things before they find out what they actually want to do.
वो तो है. सत्य की बात.
So for youth, I consider myself as a youth. मैं भी बहुत कुछ बड़ा नहीं हूँ. I'm just
Hmm.
23. I'm
Hmm.
still a young boy, if I can say
Hmm.
that. But if I'm giving advice as a brother to someone else, I would definitely say
Hmm.
try out more stuff and लोग क्या कहेंगे उससे हट के कुछ काम करो. Because if you keep thinking about the society, then you'll never be able to do something that you actually want to do in your life. So
वो
I
तो
would
है.
say keep crushing it. Keep crushing the people who are being negative towards you, who says you can't do shit.
Hmm.
Just keep crushing them and keep crushing it.
Thank you so much for having your time. Finally हुआ डेट मेरे बाद finally time set किए और finally done हुआ ये डेढ़ घंटे का podcast. Thank you
And I
so
love that
much.
you were
Thank you so much for
persistent.
having me.
You were consistently persistent. Okay, let's do it, brother. Let's do it. Even though I got sick sometime and I had some other commitment, you were
Hmm.
definitely persistent. And I think that's really, really important as an entrepreneur to be persistent. Even in the face of rejection, be persistent.
Perfect, very perfect, perfect. Finally, the end of the podcast पे आ रहे हैं. Thank you so much इतना valuable time देने के लिए.